Can you put your shoes on? You've got a pair of shoes on. You in your trainers? There's. Yeah, oh, we haven't got them on yet.
Really cold.
It's about to be really cold, aren't they?
I do. Yeah. Oh, when's the other thing on?
We've got to go to the airport. Go on, push your independent suitcase down. What? Microphone. This is so much easier to vlog now that we're like out of the house, because it literally looks like I'm on FaceTime. FaceTime to the besties.
Mum, what's Mum?
Tells you the license plate number, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. Hello, how cold is it? Stay there. Stay there because you've got snow on your boots.
Thank God.
Yeah, you might need another pair. We'll dry these out, shall we? Oh, on the DJ. Been to Lidl in that van. Should we show them what we've got?
Mum, I said I want the food.
Well, why don't you watch my iPad and go and see Daddy in here do it for you? Bread,
Orange, apple,
apple juice, think butter, hope it's fine. Looks like that.
my friends do.
Oh. Bagels, and we just walked there. Squashed raspberries, they look really nice. Biscuits. Protein yogurts. Philadelphia, I hate Philadelphia. Cinnamon rolls. Olive sweets. More of olive sweets. Protein shake. Orange juice, is that what it's called?
One of my sweets. Yeah. Yay.
Oh,
Olives. Golden kiwis.
got what?
Golden kiwis, they're lush.
Alright.
Yeah, and then I have eggs and salted potato chips.
Golden kiwis.
Lemonade.
Eggies.
Tom squash. Finnish bear.
Finnish bear. Do you normally shop in Lidl at home?
No.
Oh, Greek yogurt. I know that says Greek yogurt, but I didn't know if you knew what it looked like already.
Oh, yeah.
I like know that because I've had that before.
Oh yeah, Tom knows.
Blueberries. Their fruit looked really nice. Where's the grapes gone?
I have.
I was having a little munch on those.
Oh, remember the pasta brought us? Oh, remember those strawberry
Oh, yeah.
These like white chocolate with raspberry and black.
It's fully dark outside now. And what time is it, Mish?
Like, what time is it? 4:44. Oh my god.
4:44. It's fully dark. And it feels like it's about 10 o'clock now.
It does. Oh, I've got a little dilemma.
One. Ready? Are you ready for this?
We come prepared.
This is everything we've brought over.
We come prepared.
Marshmallows, noodles, twiglets, well, we're at the moment. If it don't get really cold, we probably won't need any of these hand warmers.
Really next head for 5 minutes.
I know. Oh, that was a save.
Oh, luckily.
We did just go out by the lake to take some pictures, and I fell over, and it was cold.
Very cold.
Are you still going to follow me? No. I have to double click and then watch you follow me now. Is it moving?
Yes, yeah. They were the yoga strong for me.
And we carried this back.
Oh,
Everyone's moaning that their legs were hurting. Penny refused to walk.
Ollie carried the shopping bag after a bit of bribery. Or incentivization, I like to call it. Oh, olives.
This is like cribs that we see inside your fridge.
Okay.
Is there not another one?
No, it's fine.
Oh, well, let's have a bar each.
No, you have it.
No, I actually don't need it that bad.
Oh no, I'm right.
It just needs a quick cold blast, you know? You got ice all Penny? Is that nice? Yeah. Good morning. You say good morning. Did it snow last night?
Yeah.
It did snow last night. Liz back outside. I think I'll go find him in a second. Okay, we're getting ready. We look like Eskimos.
I don't know if I should wear this one or this one. I'm taking a backpack so
Tom's got one as well.
What backpack?
Yeah. So. Oh, look at this. I don't know if I should put on 2 pairs of socks or not. Because my feet were sliding out yesterday.
You booked a car?
No. It's so hot though when you do all this inside. I'm sweating, Mish.
I'm taking a picture of Doss. Oh, guys, we're leaving. Come on.
Now have a look at your doors.
Yeah.
No, not inside with your boots. Outside we've got to go this way. Wow. Pen is behind you, Tom. Where are you? Wow, Betty. Currently embroiled in a snowball fight here, guys.
I'm getting lots of snookers. I built a snowman.
I'll flip the camera and show you how the lake looks this morning.
And family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a in the sand you led me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Say hello. It's tracking Mama now.
Hello. Mommy. Hello. That camera's smarter than Emma.
Cool, isn't it? You can't see it right now, but it has started to snow. Not too high, Penny.
Mommy, come on.
Stay there because I don't want it to go in your boots, okay? You found them. Do you like snow dash? I love it. We're going back to have another picture of the snowman. I'll show you when we get there. Yeah. Oh, just got in my eye. You see Ollie. Living his best life. Ready? Yeah. Ready for this? Oh! But I think it's because of the weather. Here you go. Hang on, let me just.
Penny, look at she.
Ollie, look.
Say cheese.
Say yeah, it's snowing. Oh, Penny.
I love this.
Yeah. Jump down then. Let's go see what we can find. Darling, get down. So we've just come into the Santa's Pets section. It's €15 an adult, €10 a child. Just telling them that we come into the Santa's Pets bit. Is that what it's called? Yeah. We've had a disaster with all his boots though, because his ones haven't got laces on like Tom's. So his toes have got a little bit wet, haven't they? But you have been somersaulting down hills, haven't you? Yeah, it's so pretty in this bit. Like there's so much snow on the trees now. Oh, so cute. I'll flip the camera and I'll show you. Oh, Ollie, is that sheep? Oh, it is. Look. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, Ollie. Ollie, look. Don't mind the glass, okay?
Hello.
Is there any left? Can I feed some? Oh.
Look at them. They are the cutest.
Oh. Betty. Oh, look.
Can you some more?
Yeah.
There's some on the fence there. Look, grab that bit.
Hello. Oh, that's blue eyes.
Hello. You okay? How lush are they?
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling
Got the best. This has been the best part so far. We were just saying, weren't we? And they've got this like sledding hill that you just saw the kids on, and they're just one after the other going back up. So cute. Yeah, I really, really, really recommend. We're not buying them here. They're €5 for one cube.
So they were selling packs.
Yeah, do you know how much they are? But it is expensive for the things you buy. So we bought 2 hot chocolates, a coffee, which is an instant coffee, like a sachet coffee, and then a Bailey's hot chocolate, and it was €30. I don't know why we, obviously I showed you in the house, we brought all of the stuff to come, so I don't know why we, thanks Darce, I don't know why we did it. Tom's just having a little moment with the alpaca, hold on.
Do you know that reminds me of? Dotty.
Yeah, I was going to say Dotty.
Oh my god, look at that one, Mum. Oh my god.
Hello, oh it's a goat. Hello sir. Oh, are you okay?
Where'd you come
That's
from?
an alpaca, not a goat.
Oh, it's an alpaca, sorry.
Mum, look at Mum.
Hello guys.
Mum, look at alpaca now.
Oh, I love it.
No, we like looks out.
Yeah, I think we're gonna like come back later and then bring the marshmallows, because we can toast the marshmallows later, Tom, when it's like dark, and imagine how pretty this will all look.
Now, today, leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather.
Still in the Santa's pet bit. I know, and Penny's just gone down. Come here.
I didn't crush Darcy.
Pick that mitten up. Right, let's warm you up. But the kids are loving it. So cool. Right, Rose, put your mitten on. Ready?
I didn't like to stay.
Right, ready? Come here, mitten.
We have to get free.
Are you in? Look over.
Yeah, I'll come up a minute. Hold on. This is going to be hilarious.
Oh, you could break her neck.
This is the best bit about the holiday right now. Yeah, she got her torch on, glowing up, pocket.
Oh my god, that's so bad. She got one there.
Here she comes.
Do the other one.
Oh shit, fall off.
Your torch is on.
Hang on, Max.
Anyway, I'll let a lady film.
Right, guys, look at this. We've just come outside. Wow.
Can we get here next time?
Wow, wow, wow. This is Glass Resort. Yeah, this is what you see all over Instagram. How perfect is that?
Literally live in Somerville Village.
Are you ready for this, guys?
I'm ready.
Hang on.
I'll be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in.
Oh, she's going on a wander through the cutest little gingerbread village. Look. So cute. You do. Darce. I'm going to start charging Darce every time she falls over now.
Put on the stairs.
£10 hot chocolate with Baileys. There's so much cream on it, I can't even get it.
Daddy,
Got to scoop it up.
Can we just go?
Yeah, where do you want to walk to? Don't waste it, man.
It's all down my face. Can you hold it?
It's on your coat.
Yeah, no, hold that. I can't drink it because there's so much cream on it.
Dad, Mum, it's just the coldest milk. It's just the Arctic.
Yeah, you're in the Arctic Circle.
Dad, can we go out of the Arctic Circle? Because it's not warmer.
You want to go home?
Yeah, back to the cabin.
Why?
I know, let's go.
Wow. There has been so much snow today. Picked up at the same time. You booked yours like half an hour later than
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm
Where are you?
McDonald's. Oh, Mum, it's tracking a random person. Can you move your head? Can you move your head that way? Move your head this way.
My nails fell off. Gosh, this is heartbreaking. Her nails falling off. I haven't.
Yeah. We don't have some McDonald's food.
Shame on.
Eat a McDonald's now.
What are you doing?
Eat a McDonald's now.
You can't see me. Don't worry, guys, I'm here. And you know? They don't have lids on their cups here, so it's just plain. And whenever I take a sip out of this, my tooth goes numb because it is so cold. And I'm not even going to try it.
What?
Oh. It is so busy in here. How do you like your Finland McDonald's? Amazing. It's so cold.
Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere you and me.
Saying it's a 15-minute walk, but they've got they call it like an Arctic storm. But the airports are closed at the minute, it's really windy and there's a lot of snow. And I was actually genuinely concerned that there was going to be no snow. Like panicking there was going to be no snow. And let me show you the roads. And this is like, what would you call this? Like a dual carriageway road. Like so much snow. Okay, we made it to Angry Birds Park. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me because I haven't got my microphone on and it is so windy. I'm just trying to see if I can show you. Hopefully you can hear me okay. We're just... you can see my hair. I don't know if it's going to pick up the snow. But I've just been on my Aurora app because I'm trying to just see if the auroras are likely to come out. And it's saying that there's potentially, so I mean this is a bit too light probably for us to see it, but people have seen them here before. My camera is on, so we're back home now. Tom and Ollie are going to head out. They're out packing. They're going to head to the shop. What did I do with my phone?
Why is your purse there, Pen?
Guys, she's so cheeky. Like, so cheeky. I don't know what... Okay. What's happened? My mascara's all down my face, so I need to just go and take my... Oh, only one at a time, darling. Oh, there's my phone. Yeah, we came home just because Penny was crying, then her belly hurt, and then now we're home. She's fine. But we've had an alert...
She's not home yet?
No, she's not. We've had an alert on the Aurora app. Just excuse my eyes, I'm about to go and take my makeup off. It did this last night and then it went away again, but it currently says that potentially they could be seen. So it is quite dark. I don't know if I flip this round and show you. So this is like our back porch, obviously. Hang on, let me see if I can... How do I do it? Right, hang on. So this is the back porch. So can you see it is quite dark? We've had like fresh snow again, but it has cleared up. Obviously there's some clouds, but it is starting to break. So what the plan is, my sister and her partner have gone out for some food. Oh, I'm going to come in because it is quite windy. So it's just us and the kids here. So what we said is that we would have some snacks and try and... Who's this? No, Mish, we walked to Angry Birds Park in a blizzard.
Do you have fun?
It was great fun. Did you watch my Snapchat?
Huh?
Do you watch my Snapchat?
No.
The Auroras are out.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, now?
Yeah, but I think it's not, look, it's just not quite dark enough yet.
Oh, amazing.
If I had a car, I'd be driving to a forest. But I need to take my makeup off because I look like I've been punched. Oh, by the way, we came home and that door was wide open.
What?
This one. Like, we were like, what is that noise? Wind's everything's here that I've seen.
Oh, track.
This one here, but I didn't
That
go.
one?
Yeah.
I thought it was it.
I don't know, so we need to go around the side. It's locked, so it's red, but we need to just check from the outside because it's red.
Yeah.
Because if we open it from outside, but we just need to check you can't get in there, but it was wide open.
Oh, shit.
But the air wraps are here, passports are here.
Oh. iPads are here?
iPads are here. Yeah, ours is, I don't think anyone's come in. I don't know whether it just wasn't shut properly.
Okay, thank you.
So, let's take our makeup off, shall we? I forgot my makeup removers, also I'm using Darcy's. Where's that oil, Darcy? It can't have the bathroom. Hopefully it comes up with this. It's an oil cleanser.